We are located right next to the Civic Center MARTA station. Valet parking services are available at our hotel. Located in the heart of downtown Atlanta, just minutes away from Centennial Olympic Park. Welcome to 12 Centennial Park, Uncity Loft Escape. We're on your time. Our spacious and comfortable Queen 1-bedroom suites are equipped with 2 queen beds, full kitchen and living room, enough for a small family or a group of friends. Our loft-inspired 1-bedroom suites provide the comfort of home with the amenities and service of a full-service Marriott hotel. Rooms include a bedroom, separate living area and full kitchen. The spacious 2-bedroom suite can accommodate up to 6 guests. Our deluxe suites feature a spacious living room. Our deluxe suites feature a spacious living room and full kitchen. Our deluxe king suites feature a balcony. Dine with us at our on-site restaurant. Enjoy a private dining experience in our restaurant. Take a dip in our outdoor swimming pool or relax and enjoy the sun. We offer 6,000 square feet of event space to host any event. Turn our lounge into a meeting room or a social gathering location. Our spacious boardroom, with audio-visual capabilities, can host successful meetings for up to 12 attendees. Enjoy views of the city in the 1,250 square foot Centennial Room.